I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so fixes actually work. Sign into your Microsoft account, verify Windows updates are applied, and make sure your clock and time zone match network time. Once done, free up disk space if you're low and confirm your internet connection is stable. Then restart the PC and fully close Microsoft Store and background store services so any cached tokens or hung processes clear before the next steps. Next, you'll perform targeted repairs. Reset the Microsoft Store app from settings to clear corrupted cache and data. After that, run the built-in Windows Store app's troubleshooter to detect permission or license issues. Follow its recommended fixes. Make sure background apps are allowed if needed, then open services to restart store-related services like Store Install Service and WSAPs. These actions address common failures where updates fail due to locked files, service hangs, or corrupted local data. For remaining problems, re-register the store using an elevated PowerShell command to remove and reinstall app packages. This fixes broken app manifests. Run WS Reset. EXE to clear deeper store caches, sign out and back into your account to refresh licenses, and ensure Windows Update components are healthy. If updates still fail, create a new Windows user profile or reinstall the Microsoft Store package. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.